At home, I love being home. The problem is when I have to go to the toilet. Like the problem with the toilet is when I'm in the toilet, there's no toilet paper, there's a newspaper, right? And it gets emotional because, you know, in the toilet, in the newspaper, there's a picture of a politician that I like. And I know exactly what I'm going to do to his face, right? So like yesterday, whose space was I using? I was using Terra's space yesterday. So I even did the speech, you know. Terra, sorry we had to bump into each other under such unfortunate circumstances. I was just responding to the call of my nature. But don't worry, Terra. You will cope down there.
Ukuthi yafuna abantu basebhara abagulayo thina e-medical clinic kuthiwa we are receiving medical attention. No, I can't wait to be sick, I can't. That's the issue. Let's question ngayo e-medical clinic ayifani nabantu basebhara. Thina masikwetshela kuyezwakala ukuthi lo muntu uzosinda lo. Kunale hope ne-faith ekhona ekukhwesheleni kwakho ukuthi uzoba right. Ebhara uyabuza ukuthi uyahamba lo, uyahamba. No, I can't wait to be sick, I can't. Everything is different, like Chinemeli Clinic, even in Katsomuda. Unes uza kwela to Mr. Nene. What would you like to eat? It's optional, this thing, Yay, Nina! Yay! Kyajiwa manje, kyajiwa. Umkhiza uvuke wena. So umkhiza usetile nje akekho umuntu ozobhala engadini. Nizoba masekusho mina. Umkhiza uvuke wena. Ngisho ukudla kwakhona, yabo ukudla kwakhona kufani nathi. Thina ukudla kwethi 7 colors every day ba. Ne-dessert. Ebhara intaba yophuthu nje enezihamba lelilodwa phezulu. Ngafika ukuthi sobhalika alikhona alithandi attention. Lithi lifika nje shona phansi same time. Elisa bakuthiwa uvelaphi.